This guy is a genius. He installed shock absorbers on a bicycle. He made it into a gas-powered bike. The speed is incredibly fast. First, he collected some bicycle parts. He cut off a head tube. Then he welded it with an iron pipe. After welding the front fork, he flattened the iron pipe with a vise. This allowed him to weld another iron pipe. He welded the head tube in the middle. Next, he removed the steel axle from the bicycle wheel. He needed to replace it with a thicker steel axle. Then he found two bearings. He placed them inside a round iron ring. He put two steel rods at the front end of the fork. Then he welded the two bearings onto them. He welded two nuts to the front end of the iron pipe. After welding, he cut a slot with a cutting machine. He used screws to fix the front two bearings. Next, he cut two connecting pieces. He welded a steel axle to one end of the connecting piece. The other end was welded to the front wheel axle. This formed the footrest. Then he found two motorcycle shock absorbers. He put a bearing on the steel axle. He also put the shock absorbers on the steel rods. After welding, he tested the effect. Then he welded an iron plate to the